The Military Tank series from Sound Ideas puts 6 different military vehicles through their paces, bringing you 544 interior and exterior recordings. Featured in this collection are the FV-432 Armored Personnel Carrier, the Abbott FV-433, the World War II M4 Sherman Easy-8, the Chieftain FV-4201, the Soviet T-54, and the Humvee. These field recordings include tank engines grinding and roaring to life, idling in place and moving out slowly, maneuvering through water and mud, driving over bumpy terrain, and even crushing cars. Recorded at 2496, the Military Tank series is available for download as 1644.1, 1648, 2448, or 2496 broadcast WAV files that are fully embedded with metadata. The Military Tank series, only from Sound Ideas.